Is your engine suddenly running rough and burning through gas like crazy? You might be dealing with a hidden cylinder deactivation issue that is draining your wallet. Today we are looking at trouble code P3478. This is a standard OBD2 powertrain diagnostic code that points directly to a performance problem with the cylinder 10 exhaust valve control circuit. If you drive a modern car or truck with a big V8 engine, it likely uses a cylinder deactivation feature to save fuel while cruising on the highway, temporarily turning it into a V4. The engine control module manages this entire process by turning the exhaust valves on and off using specialized variable valve timing solenoids. Code P3478 triggers when the engine computer detects a voltage or resistance problem specifically in the circuit for cylinder number 10. When this happens, the computer might even shut off the fuel injector to that cylinder to protect the internal engine components, which you will definitely feel as a harsh and constant engine misfire. You will notice a few very clear symptoms if this is happening to your vehicle. The most obvious sign is your check engine light or service engine soon light turning on and staying on. Alongside the light, you will experience a noticeable engine misfire, a massive drop in overall engine performance, and you will find yourself stopping at the gas station a lot more often because your fuel efficiency will completely drop off. So what actually causes this code to pop up? The most common culprit is a faulty variable valve timing solenoid on that specific cylinder. However, you should never overlook your engine oil. Low engine oil levels, poor oil pressure, or a restricted oil passage can easily trigger this exact code since the system relies heavily on oil pressure to function. It could also be damaged wiring, a corroded electrical connector, or in rare cases, a totally defective engine control module. To fix this, always start by checking your engine oil level and condition. Make sure you are using the right oil and that it is full. If the oil is fine, carefully look at the wiring and connectors around the cylinder 10 solenoid for obvious physical damage like scraped, bare, or burned wires. The actual repair usually involves replacing the bad solenoid, fixing the broken wires, or clearing out the blocked oil passages. But listen, if checking the oil and looking for broken wires does not solve your problem, or if you need to perform advanced voltage and continuity tests, it is absolutely time to take your car to a professional mechanic. A misfire can cause permanent damage to your engine if you ignore it. A good mechanic will have the advanced digital volt-ohm meters and oil pressure gauges needed to safely pinpoint the exact cause. Do not just blindly replace the solenoid without testing, as it could just be a simple wiring issue or low oil pressure. Take care of your engine and keep rolling smoothly down the road.